Yes, children, this is your maths classroom, and ma'am is welcoming you all to the maths classroom. And this time we are going to discuss chapter number 9. The name of the chapter is Money, and we will do video number 4. And in this video, ma'am is going to discuss about worksheet 9.5 and 9.6 of your application book. Are you all ready? 9.5 and worksheet 9.6, children. So please be ready with your application book and pencil. Are you ready? Yes, children, just see this question. Fill in the blanks. Rupees 12 is the same as rupees 2 coins. How many coins of rupees 2 will be equal to rupees 12? Okay, how you all are going to do? We have done multiplication. How many times you will add rupees 2 coins to make it equal to rupees 12? Give me answer fast. Yes, children, you all are right. 2 6 are 12. So we are going to write here 6 coins of 2 rupees will be equal to rupees 12. Very good. Question number B. The cost of a pencil is rupees 1. A pencil costs rupees 1. Circle the number of pencils which can be bought with rupees 15. See, the cost of one pencil is rupees 1. So if your mother has given you rupees 15, so how many pencils you are going to buy with it? How many pencils can you buy? Yes, you can buy 15 pencils. So ma'am is going to circle 15. Suppose question number C. If you have a 50 rupee note, and which one of the following items can you buy? The cost of an ice cream is rupees 48. And the cost of a pencil box is 52. So you are having only 50 rupees note. So you can buy only ice cream because it is less than rupees 50. But the cost of pencil box is more than 50. So we can't buy a pencil box, but very easily we can buy ice cream. So we will buy ice cream. Why? Because it is less than rupees 50. It is only of rupees 48. Very good. Write T for true and F for false. 1 rupee 10 coin is same as 10 rupee 1 coins. Children, can you see? Is it true or false? Yes. 1 rupees 10 coin means 10 rupees. And if you will add 10 1 rupee coin, it will be same. Ma'am is right or wrong? Yes, ma'am is right. So we are going to write it here. T for true. Which has less value? 3 10 rupees notes or 7 5 rupee coins? Oh my God, it's very difficult. See, rupees 10 rupee coin. How much? 10 plus 10 plus rupees 10. How much? 10 plus 10, 20, and 20 plus 10, rupees 30. Okay. And then 7 5 rupee coins. Okay, rupee 5 one time, rupees 5 two times, rupees 5 3 times, rupees 5 4 times, rupees 5 5 times, rupees 5 6 times, and rupees 5 7 times. So how much? 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, 25 plus 5 30, and 30 plus 5 35. And we can do in another way also. 7 times rupees 5, 7 5s are rupees 35. So which one is less? Which has less value? Rupees 30 and rupees 35. Which one has less value? Yes, rupees 3 10 rupees notes. Okay, so this one is of less value. Okay children, now move to worksheet 9.6. Yes, worksheet 9.6. Okay, now read the questions, answer the given questions. Rita went to a shop to buy the following items: an eraser for rupees 5, a pen for rupees 10, a box of color pencils for rupees 50, a ruler for rupees 20, and Rita gave rupees 100 to the shopkeeper. Help her find the amount she has to get back from the shopkeeper. Okay, now what we are going to do is the cost of eraser. What is the cost of eraser? Rupees 5. Cost of a pen, rupees 10. Then cost of box of color pencils, that is of 50 rupees. Then ruler, the cost of ruler is rupees 20. So I am going to add all these numbers together. Okay, 5, then 5 plus 2 6 7 plus 1 8, rupees 85. The cost of all the items is rupees 85. Okay, now children, Rita has taken things of rupees 85, but she has given rupees 100 to the shopkeeper. This is ones place, this is tens place, and this is 100 place. Okay, and now she has taken things of rupees 85, so we have to subtract 85 from the 100. Okay, now children, we have done earlier also subtraction with borrowing, so you can see here 0 is there. Okay, and we have to subtract 5 from the 0. Can we do this? No, we are not able to do this. So what we have to do, we will go to the next number, we will go to the tens house to ask from there, but here also it is 0. So what we are going to do, we will go to the next house, that is 100 house, and we will ask from there. So here it is 1, and so it will, if it will give 1 to the tens, it will become 10 tens. Okay, okay, then 1 will go to the now in tens house there are 10 numbers now. So now 1 will go to, again it will go to the tens house and ask for a number, then it will give one number to the ones, and it will become 10, and here it will be tens house, it will be 9. Okay, so now we are able to subtract. Can we do? Yes, 10 minus 5, what we will get? Yes, 5. And here number 9 is left in tens house, so we will subtract 8 from 9 and we will get 1. And in the 100 house, is there anything? No, nothing is there, so it will be 0. So only 15 rupees is left, only 15 rupees Rita will get back from the shopkeeper, and that is our answer. Got it children? Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Till then, take care.